In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dashboards in monday.com. Let's dive right in by opening up your workspace. First, you'll need to log into your monday.com account. Once you're in, navigate to the workspace where you want your new dashboard to reside. This is important because the dashboard will serve as a central hub for your team's activities, insights, and progress tracking. Next, let's look at how you can add a new dashboard. On the left sidebar of your monday.com interface, you'll see a handy plus add button. Give that a click. A menu will pop up, and from there, select New Dashboard. This straightforward action is a starting point for creating a powerful tool that can transform how you and your team visualize data and information. Now that you've initiated the creation of your dashboard, it's time to give it a meaningful name. A name like Team Overview or Marketing KPIs will help everyone immediately grasp the purpose of the dashboard. You also need to decide on its privacy setting. Do you want it to be private, shareable, or a main dashboard? Make this choice based on who needs access to the information and who can benefit most from it. With your dashboard named and appropriately set, let's move on to adding widgets, which are the building blocks of a dashboard in monday.com. Click on plus add widget and you'll be presented with a selection. You can choose a chart widget to display progress and goals visually. If tracking task status across different boards is essential, the battery widget is perfect for the job. Need to stay on top of timelines? Then the calendar widget is your go-to. For those who want to keep an eye on budgets, hours, or sales, the numbers widget will be incredibly useful. A table widget can display items from connected boards, offering a clear overview at a glance. And lastly, the workload widget will help ensure balance by allowing you to monitor team or personal workloads effectively. Once you've selected your widgets, you'll need to connect the relevant boards to your dashboard. This will mean selecting one or multiple boards from which you'll pull data, such as project boards, task boards, or sales trackers, depending on your needs. It's customization time. Each widget has settings that you can adjust, allowing you to filter data to your specifications. For example, focus on tasks due this week or high priority items. Moreover, you can choose colors, chart types, and groupings in a way that enhances data readability. Lastly, make your dashboard visually appealing and easy to navigate by organizing your layout. Drag and drop the widgets into an order that makes sense for you, and resize them to improve visibility and accessibility. By following these steps, you'll create an intuitive and powerful monday.com dashboard tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Happy dashboarding!